your trusted source for the most detailed and exciting car reviews. Today, we're diving into the heart-pounding world of American muscle, exploring the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. This beast of a car has been redesigned to push the boundaries of speed, performance, and modern technology while staying true to its muscle car roots. In this video, we'll uncover every detail about its interior, exterior, performance, and prices, giving you an in-depth look at why the 2025 Camaro ZL1 is turning heads across the USA. So stay tuned until the end to know if this is the ultimate performance car you've been waiting for. The exterior of the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is nothing short of breathtaking. Chevrolet has maintained the aggressive stance of the previous ZL1 models, but introduced sleeker aerodynamic enhancements. At first glance, the front fascia impresses with its larger grille design, giving it a bold, track-ready appearance. The sharp LED headlights, paired with the signature DRLs, add a futuristic touch to its muscle car persona. The hood features a functional air extractor that not only looks aggressive, but also helps keep the supercharged V8 cool during intense drives. Side skirts, widened fenders, and new 20-inch lightweight alloy wheels enhance its road presence while reducing drag. At the rear, you're greeted with quad exhaust tips and a massive rear spoiler, boosting downforce for better stability at high speeds. With Chevrolet's updated color palette, buyers can choose from a range of striking shades, including red hot, rapid blue, black metallic, summit white, and the all-new electric yellow. Every detail of the exterior is designed to scream performance while maintaining a stylish, modern edge that appeals to enthusiasts and collectors alike. Moving inside, the 2025 Camaro ZL1 combines race-inspired features with everyday usability. The interior offers a perfect blend of sportiness and technology, ensuring both comfort and adrenaline. The driver-focused cockpit wraps you with premium materials, including suede microfiber, accents, and leather-trimmed Recaro performance seats. These seats are not only supportive during high-speed cornering, but also comfortable for long highway drives. The flat-bottom steering wheel, wrapped in Alcantara, provides excellent grip and adds to the sporty vibe. In terms of technology, the Camaro ZL1 is equipped with Chevrolet's latest 10.3-inch infotainment system, compatible with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless connectivity options. The performance data recorder is also integrated, allowing enthusiasts to record track sessions with real-time data. The interior also offers customizable ambient lighting, a premium Bose audio system, and dual-zone climate control to keep passengers in ultimate comfort. Rear seating remains limited, but this is expected in a car focused primarily on performance. Overall, the cabin of the 2025 Camaro ZL1 strikes a perfect balance between luxury and raw performance features. Now let's talk about what really makes the 2025 Camaro ZL1 a true legend: its performance. Under the hood, this machine packs a 6.2-liter supercharged V8 LT4 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 670 horsepower and 650 pound-feet of torque. Chevrolet has fine-tuned the engine for improved throttle response and even better acceleration than before. This power is sent to the rear wheels through a 6-speed manual transmission for purists, or an optional 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters for those who prefer convenience without compromising speed. The 0 to 60 mph time is expected to be under 3.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest Camaros ever built. The ZL1 also features advanced magnetic ride control, which adapts to road conditions in milliseconds, providing both a smooth ride and razor-sharp handling. Brembo brakes, performance tires, and an electronically limited slip differential ensure precise control whether on the track or the open road. This car is built to dominate, offering thrills with every push of the pedal. Fuel efficiency is not the main focus here, but Chevrolet has managed to improve efficiency slightly compared to previous generations, thanks to weight reduction and aerodynamic improvements. While it remains a high-performance vehicle with a thirst for fuel, it's a compromise enthusiasts gladly accept for the unmatched driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 remains competitively priced compared to rivals like the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 and Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. The starting price is expected to be around $74,000 for the base ZL1, while models with additional performance packages or carbon fiber upgrades may cross the $80,000 mark. Considering the level of performance, technology, and design offered, this price range makes the ZL1 an attractive option for anyone seeking a supercar-level experience without a supercar price tag. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Camaro ZL1 is not just an evolution of an iconic muscle car. It's a statement of power, technology, and design excellence. From its aggressive exterior to its tech-rich, driver-focused interior, and from its earth-shattering V8 performance to its surprisingly approachable price, the ZL1 continues to set benchmarks in the world of performance cars. It's a car that satisfies both the purist, looking for raw driving thrills, and the modern driver demanding the latest features. If you are passionate about driving and want a machine that delivers adrenaline on demand, the 2025 Camaro ZL1 deserves a spot at the top of your wish list. Thank you for watching Cars Inflow. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest car reviews. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the new Camaro ZL1. Until next time, drive safe and keep loving cars.